Did you know one man almost destroyed Julius Caesar and changed Roman history forever? In 52 BC, a fierce warrior named Vercingetorix united 300,000 Gallic fighters against Rome's greatest general. This wasn't just another rebellion, it was a masterclass in guerrilla warfare. Vercingetorix burned his own villages and poisoned wells, leaving nothing for Roman armies. His hit-and-run tactics terrorized the mighty legions. At Gergovia, he handed Caesar his worst defeat ever, nearly ending Roman expansion into Gaul. Caesar was so close to total disaster that he almost fled back to Rome in shame, but then came the final showdown at Alesia. Surrounded and starving, Vercingetorix faced an impossible choice. He could watch his people die, or make the ultimate sacrifice. In full battle armor, he rode out alone and threw his weapons at Caesar's feet, surrendering himself to save his warriors. This single act of defiance forced Rome to completely change their military tactics. Those new strategies would later help Caesar conquer his enemies in civil war and become emperor.